Look. Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look. Gonna be drinking. Look. There's gonna be smoking. Look. There is going to be foul language on this one. Look. So prepare yourself if you want to stick around, because here I come in 3. Look. 2. Look. Last chance. 1. Bye. Welcome everyone. Yeah, black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. My name's Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Bang! Yes. And look. Oh, do we have a show today? Look, brothers. Look, sisters. Look, the time has come. Oh, the time has come. All right. The time has come. So today we're going to spend a little time in a little place called China. Oh, yeah. China. Every story is about China today. You daggone right it is. Shomari, man. Really dog like that? Look. Let me tell you something. I'm happy. Oh, I'm super happy. Look. I got to get on a plane in 3 hours here and go visit my grandmother who's dying. But let me tell you something. China has brought joy to this day. Look. VeChain, drug traceability. Bang! Launched in China. Look, we're going to talk about it. VeChain. China. Xi Jinping says what? Pro blockchain. Oh, we're going to talk all about it. And now I got a new one for you. I got the new one. I got the brand new goods. This just came out 1 hour ago. China has passed its first crypto law. Bang! And it's going into effect on January 2020. Bang! And I'm going to talk about that. So let's go. Bang! Look. Yes, indeed. Taste China. Bass. Why are you so happy about China, dog? Well, let me go back here just to remind folk. Look, 1 in 5 people on Earth are Chinese. 1 in 5 people on Earth are Indian. Yeah. The rest of us, the blacks, the whites, the Hispanics, yeah, we're just sprinkled in like a garnish, like a little garnish on your salad. Yes. All right, just so you know. Bye. It's important. 1 in 5 of them, brothers. Yes. And did you read the thing the other day where it said China now has more billionaires than America does? Yes. For the first time. Look, brothers. All right, we'll talk about everything when we get there. Let's go, because I'm so excited. All right, so let's just fucking refresh. So good, refresh. Look. Oh yeah, and these numbers. Bang, right? Oh, hey. All right, let's look at Bitcoin now. All right, Bitcoin's at $9,169. When I left you yesterday, my gosh, look at this crazy jump. When I left you yesterday, it was at 7,512. What is this? How much is this? 1,600 and whatever. About 1,600 bucks it went up. 1,600 in 1 day. Daggone it. Look. All right, let's go. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Look. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Tether, Litecoin, EOS, Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SV, and Stellar. All right. Market moves of the day. Well, single digits up to double digits up, really. single to double digits up. I mean, there's a couple little stragglers in here. But Tether doesn't count. Stable coins don't count. Yeah, single to double digits up. That's a new song. Oh, we have a new song this year. Single to double digits up. All right. Look. New song. Hope you guys are buying those dips. Single to double digits up. Single to double digits up. All right. Well, there's a single digit down. Ox, though. That's not a stable coin. We're just calling this single to double digits up, though. Fuck all that. Look. All right. Let's see who lost money today. If you see anything on here you like, go get it, because it is on sale. Back. Top 10 loser of the day. Top 10 losers. Synthetics Network. Swipe, Ox, Ren, Stasis Euro, Die, True USD, Paxos Standard, USD Coin, and Tether. Let's see who made money today. Well, all of them. Who made the most? Look. Top 10 winners of the day. V Systems, Bytem, iExec RLC. I never heard of that one. Horizon, Bitcoin, Rift Token, Bitcoin Neo, Energy, and Hedge Trade. All right, let's look at total market cap of the day, brothers. Look. Market cap 242.5. Holy shit. Holy smokes. All right. Looks like everyone got the memo today, didn't they? Or yesterday, didn't they? Shit. So look. Market cap's at 242.5 right now. When I left you yesterday, it was only 206. So we've gone up $36 billion in one day. Let's look at the volume. Oh, fuck off. Oh, my gosh. Look, China. Look. Bang. Oh, fuck. I had to let those ones out. Here it comes. I've been talking about China for a long time, brothers. A long time. And we're going to talk about it. Oh, we are going to fucking talk about it. Look. Total volume of the day, brothers. 155. 155.7 billion. Look. When I left you yesterday, you know what it was? Oh, my gosh. This is insane. It was 55.9 billion yesterday. We are at 155 today. Bang! Oh, brothers, I love you guys. You know I love you guys, right? Yes, fuck sticks. Love you. We went up 100 billion in one day. That's the power of China. Xi Jinping says one word. We're going to get there. Hold on. I'm not even going to ruin it. I'm so happy. Hold on. Let's just start out properly. Let's do it. So look, 100 billion up today. Bye. All right, let's watch this now. I mean, it's not going to be like that every day, but look. All right. Bye. VeChain drug vaccination traceability solution. So let's check it out. China is currently facing a tragic vaccine scandal. Whereas recently discovered that Chinese vaccine manufacturers provided hundreds of thousands of faulty and falsely documented vaccines to China's school children. The scandal has incited widespread fury both in China and abroad, prompting the country's president Xi Jinping to describe the incident as vile and shocking. Oh, you know you're in trouble if he doesn't like what you're doing. So look, China, they don't fucking play over there. They'll just lock you. Oh, they're going to lock these guys up for sure. China's Food and Drug Administration, CFDA, has launched an investigation into vaccine manufacturer Changshan Biotechnology, revoking its license for human rabies vaccines and beginning a recall of all unused vaccines produced by the company. Now, we're not going to read all of this because this story, like, it tells all about the vaccine. I mean, it tells all about the shit. And, you know, some guy's daughter got messed up and $88 million worth of vaccines went to 20 provinces. And some guy's 21-year-old daughter got arrested because she was selling a illegal vaccine. And I mean, it's a huge, right? Like, look, you know, 324 suspects. Like, in China, they don't fuck around. Like, if you fuck around, it's not like here in America where, like, you know, the executives get away with stuff and the company just pays a fine. Fuck all that. You go to jail when you do shit fucked up in China. You know what I mean? Like, if the like how we had our housing crash, right? We had a housing crash in 2008. I'm sure you're all familiar. I'm sure a lot of you suffered through it. And here in America, not one bankster went to jail. Do you know that? Not one. Yeah, if that shit happened in China, all of them would be in jail. I tell you right now, all the top executives would have been in jail. They don't fuck around. They throw executives in jail like it's going out of style. Xi Jinping, he has this anti-corruption campaign that's going on. He has thrown tens of thousands of people into prison. Yo, oh man, he's awesome. Wow, let me not say that. Like, calm down, buddy. Now I'm sounding like I like the guy too much. He looks like a big cuddly bear, but he's one bad mamba jamba. Let me tell you, one bad mamba jamba. There's some islands in the South China Sea Yeah, he just took them over. He built military bases on them. Yeah, America, the United Nations, all of us telling him, hey, you're not allowed to do that. He's like, yeah, watch me. And he did. Google China, South China Sea. Right, you see that? That's Xi Jinping, baby. That's Xi Jinping. Look. So in 2017, so the story went in and told all about the blah, 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 the people dying and all this. So in 2017, the Shanghai Municipal Commission of Commerce published Shanghai Municipality Product Traceability System Construction Demonstration Support Project. Whoa, that's a long name. Which revealed that Shanghai's success at assuring vaccine quality. VeChain's traceability solution was the only blockchain project selected by and supported by the Shanghai government. So, Shanghai, this big thing happened, right? This big vaccine scam happened, right? Not in Shanghai. Why? Why didn't it happen in Shanghai? It's look. They were smart enough to know, like, look, bag, look, bag, look, bag. Traceability solution. Look. So DNGVL, an equity owner in VeChain, provides certification services for big pharma companies and hospitals in Shanghai. Yeah, so DNVGL, well, I'll just tell you, they look at your shit and they certify it, right? And if your shit's not right, they tell you got to change this. That's why Shanghai never got rocked. But they do more. It's not just the vaccine stuff. Hospitals, too, and pharma companies. So, look, they help with the first maternity and infant hospital, China's Hospital of Shanghai, America's Sino OBGYN, Pediatrics, Shanghai Red Leaf International Women's and Children's Hospital, Shanghai University Ranji Hospital, Shanghai Pharma. The DNVGL healthcare certifications issued cover a broad range of healthcare standards and include. So this is what they do. So you know these ISO things. You know what an ISO is? These are global standards. These are international standards. Okay, that if you meet them, like you're at the highest standard, right? So for instance, Swift, this thing Swift, Ripple's going to take over Swift and all that. Well, do you know Swift isn't a company, first of all, you idiot. Swift is an ISO company, right? So Swift gives your bank its routing number, right? Because Swift looks at your bank and says, all right, is it worthy? Is it worthy? Bang. And you get this international, an ISO number from Swift. Oh my, you get a Swift number. And so these are, whenever you see ISO, these are international standards. It's like if you looked up USB, Universal Serial Bus, yeah, it has an ISO to it. No matter where in the world you go, if you have a USB cable, it can be used, right? That's an international standard, okay? All right. So what DNVGL does is they issue the standards for this ISO 14001 for healthcare, ISO 9001 for healthcare. These are different things. So this provide identity and control the environment impact. Blah, blah, blah. Like, I'm not going to read all of this. They do the ISO IEC 2701 for healthcare, which is identifies and mitigates the risk related to handling sensitive and vital data. Blah, 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 blah. All right, but I'm here for the VeChain stuff. Look, the stuff we're invested in. Look, you better have some VeChain, boy. And look, you better hold on, how much is VeChain right now? Holy, for $3,000 yesterday, you could have had 1,000 million VeChain. So you better go get that, son. You better fucking go get that shit. Look, I don't tell you what to do with your money, but in my opinion, you better go get that shit. I had to give my opinion. What's VeChain now? 3.3, yeah. You can still get a million of them for 3,300. Telling you right now, boy. Telling you right now, son. Look. When these institutions get here, VeChain is going to be the killer. The killer of all killers in this place. Well, I mean, if it happened like sort of today, right now, I mean, who knows? Someone might come out with some great something down the road and whatever. But look. All right, let's go on, man. I'm too happy. So look, drug and vaccine traceability solutions. Oh, so yes, exactly. And so I also got to tell you this. China has a problem with counterfeit goods. Like, they make a lot of the counterfeit goods, but I told you guys the story last year that some company came out with counterfeit baby formula, right? from others, right? Yeah. Not last. I told you the story last year, but it happened in 2012, and they recalled all this baby formula. And I'm a forex trader, so New Zealand. You probably don't know this, but New Zealand, the country, they create a lot of milk, lots, lots of milk, baby formula, baby powders, all this kind of milk products. Yo, when China recalled their milk, the New Zealand dollar went boom because China had to replace the milk. Right? You can't just ban you got to get rid of that milk, but you got to, these kids are breastfeeding or they're not breastfeeding. I guess that's why they have that milk. But these kids need that milk. So China just went over to New Zealand. They just bought all their milk, all their milk products, powdered milk, baby formula, all of it, whatever kind of milk product you have. So the New Zealand dollar went like boom. It was wild. It's a little something. But just to show you how China rolls, they don't fuck around. So anyway, VeChain is in partnership with DNVGL is leveraging public blockchain technology to rapidly advance drug traceability, monitoring, security, and auditing. In 2016, the State Council issued the National Informationization Plan for the 13th five-year plan, in which blockchain technology was included. Now, 2 years later, blockchain technology has developed under the support and guidance of state-provided resources and policy. Exactly. Last year, one of the brothers, Justin, the Darkness, he gave us he gave us this list of all the VeChain partnerships. These are real partnerships with universities in China. There were 18 different sort of research proof of concept things going on with the Chinese government in some form or another, either with the government directly or through, they were mostly, academic institutions, universities, right? So VeChain is the only approved blockchain traceability provider in Shanghai and has been tasked to achieve the Chinese traceability requirement by 2020. Bye! VeChain's traceability solution is being developed and tested in Shanghai. What? And will soon be rolled out. What? Look. Rolled out across China. VeChain runs China. Look, VeChain runs China. That's it, boys. When these guys get here, and I'm going to tell you a story. I'm going to read another story right now. You'll see. When they get here, what do you think? What the fuck do you think? When they see, VeChain is sanctioned by the Chinese government. I mean, never mind even just the Walmart, Deloitte, PricewaterhouseCoopers, BYD, fucking, I don't even remember all of them. Like, there's just so many. Never mind those corporate ones. Look, I've told you, and I've told, like, Factum, right? Factum's got the Department of Homeland Security. There is nothing better than government contracts. Well, China says, look, we're rolling this out across China, motherfucker. Look, bye. You better have some VeChain in your warehouse. Your warehouse better be fat with VeChain, son. Fat. And if it's not fat, you still have plenty of time. It's only at $3 and change. I mean, it's only $3,300 for it. Right. There it is. $3,300 gets you 1 million VeChain. Let me tell you something. When these guys get here, you don't think VeChain's going to fly to $1? I know, only $1, Shomari? Well, we have to be a little realistic. VeChain's market cap right now is $185 million. So it's a $185 million company. Right. Bringing it up to $1 will make it a $55 billion company. Yes. So $1 to $2 is very realistic. $1 is super realistic. Remember, there's only 55 billion of them in circulation. So bringing it up to $1 makes only a $55 billion company. You don't think this company is worth more than that? It is. But I like to underestimate. And so $1 will bring it to a $55 billion company. You will be rich, which will give you, if you buy 1 million of them, $1 million. For a fucking $3,000 investment, you are going to make $1 million off of VeChain. I guarantee you that. Yeah. And I'm not saying VeChain's only going to go to $1. It's 55 billion if it goes to $1, but with something like this being rolled out across a whole China, it's going to be 100 billion. So double up, but I like to just underestimate so that when it's bigger, I'm happy. I like to do that. Look, across all of China, in VeChain's drug and vaccine traceability solution, highly sensitive IoT devices capture and record to the VeChain Thor blockchain all data involved in vaccine manufacture and transport, including getting vaccines from manufacturers, storage facilities, cold chain distribution, hospitals, and even the usage. Oh, okay. While ensuring the reliability of the data source, VeChain's solution also eliminates the potential risks in the whole process and ensures that vaccine records are immutable and permanent. So the production data and transportation temperatures for vaccines need to be strictly monitored because vaccine composition and storage temperature directly affect the vaccine's effectiveness. VeChain's vaccine traceability solution will mitigate future vaccine manufacturing scandals. What is this thing? Oh, this is a temperature track. Oh, my bad. I didn't even realize what this was. So this thing here is a VeChain in-house developed temperature tracking device. All right. Right? So you put all these VeChain little devices along the whole production supply chain and everything. And, well, not just these ones. These are just for temperature. And that's how it's going to go. Oh, and here's this is the temperature tracking thing. All right. So anyways, that's just for the tracking temperature. So it's also going to do we're not going to read all of it. Accurate backtracking and accountability, targeted recall and disposal, real data-based early warnings, exclusive ID for each vaccine, and that's what's interesting. Each dose is going to have its own individual identity on the VeChain blockchain. So, in conclusion, the VeChain vaccine traceability solution will be shown alongside. Oh yeah, this fucking shit. The VeChain vaccine traceability solution will be shown alongside other VeChain Thor-powered solutions at the China International Import Expo, one of the highest profile import-export conferences in the world. Of course it is. It's China, motherfucker. Import-export's all they do. VeChain and DNVGL, well, they manufacture. VeChain and DNV, yeah, they're not much of an importer, but they sure export us a lot. VeChain and DNVGL will participate in this event. They're going to be in this event and showcase the blockchain assurance solutions developed together, such as cold chain logistics and My Story. My Story was that other traceability thing, remember? Was that for the wine, I think? So their attendance is occurring at the specific request of the Chinese government. Look, bye! Holy fuck. Their attendance is occurring at the specific request. At the specific request of the Chinese government. Xi Jinping and the boys, the Chinese government said, look, VeChain, you're too good. You're too good. I want to introduce you to the world. Yeah, this is the Chinese Import-Export Conference. Yeah, it's the biggest in the world. What the fuck? And China itself said, I want to introduce you to everybody. Right? If you're importing and exporting, well, you got to track where you're shipping stuff to. China said, look, VeChain, I'm going to introduce you to a few friends of mine. Look, they got a little bit of money. Yes, I think this will work out nicely. Yes. Bye! At the request of. In other words, China, the government asked them to be there. Unlike Garlinghouse and them who sort of begged to be places to be seen amongst people. No. They asked VeChain, look, brother. I got some boys. They want to meet you. Come on out to this thing over here. Yes. Look. Who wishes to highlight the state-backed collaboration with VeChain and DNVGL. President Xi Jinping will be in attendance. Xi Jinping himself will be right there. Bang! That's the shit. All these you fucksticks talk to me about, oh, Garling House is in some meeting with the IMF. Who gives a fuck? They don't have power. IMF doesn't have power. Oh, Garling House went to some fucking little conference with this. Who gives a shit? Those guys don't have power. Your politicians have power. And what happened right here? Bang! President Xi Jinping himself. Oh, that's the second biggest economy in the world. Xi Jinping himself invited, requested. Yep, VeChain. Come here. Yes. I got some people I have to introduce you to. Oh, yeah. Xi Jinping himself will be in attendance. So, that's power. That's power. Not being in some fucking IMF meeting, World Bank thing, some fucking stupid think tank conference. Those don't matter. They don't have power. They can't change your laws. They can't write regulations. You know who changes laws and writes regulations in China? Fucking President Xi Jinping. Look. 1 in 5 on Earth, brothers. Strap yourselves in. So look, DNVGL and VeChain have taken immense strides in advancing medical standards and security in China. The solutions created in their collaboration have been nurtured by the Chinese state. Exactly, the government is involved. When these guys get here, they're not stupid. Oh, the government's doing it? Dude, it's going to last forever, man. When government contracts last, you have to fuck up so bad for any government contract in a normal country to diss you. China, come on. I'm so happy. All right, let me just read so I stop yapping. We've been on this one for about 20 minutes. The solutions created in their collaboration have been nurtured by China, but they will not be isolated to China alone. No. The blockchain solution engineered by DNVGL and VeChain will soon span the globe. Look, bang! There's your fucking... What's that shit? What's that bullshit Ripple lovers used to say? Oh, Ripple the standard. Well, fucking first sign up a few fucking Fortune 500 banks, morons. But look, VeChain the standard. VeChain will soon span the globe. As the products and solutions rolled out for China's government and enterprises are only the initial components of a much larger plan. Dang on it. China right now is building everything in Africa, right? Africa is the new Asia, right? Like when I was a kid, Asia was booming in the 90s, right? Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, Africa is the new Asia. It's just starting. From where Asia first started, like sort of low value products and da-da-da-da-da. And then the people get educated and they get better skills and then they start rolling out more high-end products. That's where Africa is right now. Yes. Wow. Let's see if China rolls out VeChain for Africa. But look, Xi Jinping himself invited at the request of the Chinese government to come to the largest import-export trade fair. And look. Here it comes. So there we go, brothers. You better have some VeChain. Wow, in my opinion, I don't tell a man what to do with his money. I'm not here to shill. But I do give my opinion. And look, in my opinion, you show me something better than this. You show me any coin you have better than this. Nope. You show me any DLT provider better than this. Nope. Oh, yeah. This is going to murder it. Well, all right, brothers. Bang! It's VeChain. And now check this out. Bang! Bitcoin prices take off. Again, as Chinese president makes pro-blockchain comments. Now, this is what I want to talk to you about. China has been pro-blockchain since... Hold on, let me just... Oh, okay. Hold on, let me just do a quick refresh. All right. China has been pro-blockchain since 2014, to tell you the truth. But the truth is that most people that are in this space right now weren't here then, so they don't know. China has always been pro-blockchain. Do you know that there's a saying, right? Blockchain, not Bitcoin. Have you ever heard of that? Google blockchain, not Bitcoin. Yeah, that's what China said in 2014. They've already said that. They love blockchain in China. They've been studying it and analyzing it and try to see how they can implement in their country since 2014. They've always been, that's where we get the saying from. When you hear that saying, blockchain, not Bitcoin, that's from China. They always said that they love blockchain, but they don't like this cryptocurrency. And that's what I've been telling you guys about, right? There's two things here, right? These crypto sites and everything, they label everything as cryptocurrency. These are not cryptocurrencies, okay? Bitcoin, Litecoin, Monero, Zcash, Bitcoin Cash, Dash. Those are cryptocurrencies. They want to be money. They have no other use except we want you to spend us instead of your regular money. All right, well, fuck off. But the rest of these now, these are not cryptocurrencies. These are DLT providers, blockchain services providers. And they do stuff. Like we just saw VeChain, right? It's going to now track the vaccines and make sure no one in China again ever gets a shitty vaccine, right? China has always been pro-blockchain. And that's where we get that saying from, blockchain, not Bitcoin. All right, look. The Chinese president, Xi Jinping, makes pro-blockchain statements as Bitcoin price jumps more than 13%. Of course, Bitcoin price, that's it. They've given their blessing. Bitcoin prices, which have been sliding for the past few days, recovered slightly after President Xi Jinping was reported to have made statements that support the Chinese use and adoption of blockchain technology. Sources indicate that the statements, credited to the president of the world's second largest economy, were first reported by Chinese media sources. Speaking on Thursday at the 8th collective study of the Political Bureau of the Central Committee in Beijing, Xi said, "We must clarify the main direction, increase investment." Holy increase investment. That's what everyone likes to hear. Focus on a number of key core technologies and accelerate the development of blockchain technology and industrial innovation. Look! In what was believed to be the first set of statements on the blockchain technology, this indicates that the Chinese are willing to make moves in the direction of implementation of blockchain technology, at the very least of pro-cryptocurrency at best. Wow, they're not pro-cryptocurrency. They're pro-blockchain. DLT, distributed ledger technology, yes. These statements, of course, helped buoy up Bitcoin prices, which have been sliding downwards, blah, blah, blah. All right. The Chinese have been known for their cautious approach towards cryptocurrencies. The Chinese authorities have heavily regulated the trading of cryptocurrencies and have altogether banned cryptocurrency exchanges on the Chinese mainland. Currencies. Since the 2017 speculative bubble, although ownership of cryptocurrency tokens is permitted. There have also been rumors about the creation of a national Chinese cryptocurrency, which will function alongside the renminbi. The renminbi, that's the name of the Chinese money. It's not the yuan, it's called the renminbi. What do we got here? In all in is safe to place bets on the fact that when the president of a country that has about 25% of the world's population makes pro-blockchain statements, it then means the blockchain technology in the crypto space are a big deal. Absolutely. In addition to the Chinese president's statements, some other factors also brought success to the crypto space. Oh, the CME futures and blah, blah, blah. All right, all this. All right, so fuck out. We're here for the Chinese stuff. So look, he made those pro-blockchain statements, right? Yes. And that's the difference. Like, you have to separate. That's why these websites, they call all this stuff cryptocurrency. Really, they should call them crypto assets. And then you break these crypto assets into categories, right? Your cryptocurrency. Like I said, your Bitcoin, Litecoins, Zcash, Moneros. And then distributed ledger technology providers, DLT providers, that actually do something for you, that actually, trace vaccines and stuff, do stuff, accomplish some sort of task. And and that's what's beautiful, is because China says we're pro-blockchain. So we are pro VeChain, IOTA, Stellar, Tron, blockchains. All right, look, and then finally DLT providers. Look, and then finally, bang! And this is the new stuff. This just came out 2 hours ago. China passes first ever crypto law going into effect January 2020. Bye. Look. The Standing Committee of the 13th National People's Congress in China has passed a new law regulating cryptography on October 26th that will take effect on January 1st, 2020, reports local news outlet CCTV. You know, CCTV, that's basically the Chinese mouthpiece television. When you want to know what the Chinese think, tune into that. Per the report, they actually have an English website. Per the report, the new regulatory framework, hold on. The new regulatory framework aims to set standards for the application of cryptography and the management of passwords. The new regulatory framework establishes the role of a central cryptographic agency meant to lead public cryptographic work, creating guidelines and policies for the industry. So, all this crypto stuff, they're building a whole agency just to govern crypto. Yep, to crypto assets. Yep. Bang. Never thought of that one. Yeah. Right? That's what it says. Right? They're going to establish the role of a central cryptographic agency. That's it. So that's good. Implicit cryptocurrency regulation. The draft of the law was published on May 7th by a Chinese news outlet. The text is largely focused on government centralized password management and does not explicitly mention cryptocurrency, though it does focus on cryptography, a key component underpinning cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Exactly. Cryptography. Exactly. That's what they're into. They're into the blockchain. Like I said, we get the term blockchain, not Bitcoin, from China. The key takeaway is the developing of new cryptography, hashing, algo, even the usage of the tech will be in the official legal realm. This means you need to follow the CCP standard for all encrypted behaviors, which can be very broad, from mining to block propagation. So, yeah, that's how it goes. They're going to regulate everything. Preparing for China. All right, what is this? All right, let's just read this China crypto thing. She concluded that the law is building the foundation for the upcoming Chinese national cryptocurrency, though there is no official timetable for its launch. One Chinese official confirmed in September. As Cointelegraph reported yesterday, China's President Xi Jinping has called for the country to accelerate its adoption of blockchain technologies. Bye! Meanwhile, this past week, Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg warned that Chinese superiority in the digital currency space could put the US dollar at risk in an attempt to sell lawmakers his plans for the Libra shit. China is moving quickly to launch a similar ID in the coming months. We can't sit here and assume that because America is today the leader, that it will always get to be the leader if we don't innovate, he argued. All right, fuck him. But look, not fuck Zuckerberg. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. But bye. So the new crypto law. So like it says, it doesn't talk about cryptocurrencies. Yeah, but China is not down with cryptocurrencies. They're down with distributed ledger technology, right? So that's what this is about. You know, these websites, it's always crypto law, crypto this. I showed you. There's cryptocurrencies and then there's distributed ledger technology providers. Two different things were invested in here, right? All right. So, all right, guys, I got to, 10 o'clock? All right. I got to leave here by 10 or by, I got to leave here by noon so I can get to the airport and get on my plane. So look, let's get her done. Let's get to this. Bang, shout outs. Bet him. Oh, wait, first over here. What? Oh, is that Van Breden? Look. Van Breden. What is his picture? That's cool. He has a new one. I can't see it. I got to look at it later. All right, Van Breden. Michelle, my son. What are you? I got to hurry up because I got to go. What are you doing downstairs? Mama, leave me, woman. VeChain is being deployed all across China. My holdings are going to skyrocket, woman. Oh, they are going to skyrocket as soon as these institutions can arrive. Mama, China is pro-blockchain, woman. And look, China even made a law, woman, which is coming in effect January 20. You ask me, what am I doing? I am investing in the cryptocurrency. Now, leave me, woman. Bang. Van Breden. Bang. What's his picture look like? I got to see the picture, though. Oh, that's his mom? Hold on. Can I open it bigger? Is that his mom or his girlfriend? Van Breden. Hold on. I got to see. Oh, this motherfucker. All right, let's see. Ha ha. Look. Miss Van Breden. Love you. Van Breden. All right, Newton, what's this guy talking about? Infrastructure for the community economy. Bang, see you, brother. Michelle. Sorry. I'm all happy. Biniam. Bang, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. All right. Keep an eye on blah, blah, blah token. Huge partnership. Well, give me the URL and I'll look at it, brother. I don't go looking for coin. Coin has to look for me. I'm the investor. I don't go digging around looking for what they're doing. They got to come and prove to me what they're doing. You know what I mean? You guys always ask me that. Shomari, look at this coin. Shomari, look at that coin. What do I got to look at it for? If they're doing something, I'll hear about it. If it's worthy, I'll hear about it. I don't go digging around for what? It's up to you. I don't go looking for crypto. Crypto has to come looking for me. I'm the one investing. Look. But, all right, I'll keep an eye out for it. But, I'm not going to be looking at it, looking for it. Oh, and here's the story we did. Bang, bang. It's the only approved blockchain traceability provider in Shanghai. Yes. We just read it. Bang. All right. Look. No week. Oh, sweetie. Look, sweetie. Yes. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. Yes. No weak hands here. Carry on. People keep buying. And people keep reapplying. She's getting it. Exactly. You don't keep reapplying for fucking shit if it ain't going to work. Imagine being a fly on the wall behind those closed doors. Like heaven having visiting hours. All right. Look, bang. Hurricane Master. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Yeah, drop out. Son of a bitch. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Yes. Gotcha. What is he saying here? Oh, this thing. Oh, this Tron thing. Right. Hold on. This guy, he said some weird shit. Bang. See you, brother. I'm not going to read all that. Tim Bryan, see you, brother. Bang. So Poppywood showed this. Actually, I was going to read it, but then I was like, well, why read this? Because it's not saying anything. So hold on. Poppywood. Bang. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Tron will partner with a $100 billion USD mega corporation next week. It will not only benefit Tron, but all TRC, blah, 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 tokens, including BTT and blah, blah, blah. It will broadly distribute Tron dApps and tokens to billions of customers. Billions of customers? To be announced. Make a guess. So that's what he's saying. I was going to read that story. Yeah, Tron says they have some multi-mega corporation they're about to partner with. Let's see if it's true. Look. All right, let's hurry up. Slappy McFartsack. Bang. See you, brother. Spy Lady. Brenda C. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. DP Entertainment. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. So, brother. Yes. All right. And what do we got? Oh, and this was... What? Oh, this was... Oh, about the same thing I read you. Right? Xi Jinping said we should seize the opportunity to adopt blockchain. Right. All right. That's everybody. All right. One last guy. All right. What was that guy's name? Anak Punk. Follow me. Follow back you. All right. Whatever, man. Bang. All right. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Welcome, everybody. So today's the day of China. China Day. China to the rescue. Oh, I see that the video is a little foggy, isn't it, right? I don't know why this is, but like I said, I got to go. I got a flight to take in a couple hours, so I don't have time to be figuring out how to clean this or recalibrate these, whatever, but you can see me, you can hear me, good enough. Bang! So, VeChain, drug traceability. It's the only one in Shanghai, and they're going to roll it out all across China, baby. Look! Government contract. Look! Bang! And then China Xi Jinping says he's pro-blockchain. Like I told you, man, in 2014, China already said that. So this is nothing actually new. But it's just great that back in 2014, no one was in the space, so no one knew. Now that we're here in 2019, bang, it makes a big impact. And we can see from those prices. If you ask me why those prices go up yesterday, Xi Jinping, baby. Xi Jinping. Yes. And then China passed their crypto law. So it's going to come into effect in January 2020. And all is well. So look. Let's chill and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below. Press the bell. I'll give you automatic notification when I do this show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Bang. This is the Love Talking Money, Love Talking Crypto. This is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me in your home. And I will, all right, this thing. So I'll hopefully see you guys Tuesday. It sounds like things are a little rough with my grandmother and stuff. So I hope I'll see you. Apparently, these cameras that I have, right, I got another one here. Bang, look, and then I got that one. Bang, look. So these two, they actually have a microphone in them. So I should be able to get you some sound. So if I can do them, then I'll do them, the shows, okay? So look, until then, brothers. Love you guys. My name's Shomari Clarke. Look, I'm always on duty. Bye. Yes. Over and out. China. Bye.